man. Sea turtle. Turtle. Okay, okay. Christian, come over here. Stay away. Give him room. Give him room. He wants to get up.
Touched it.
Christian touched the. He touched the sea. I mean, he.
I touched the shell.
There. It's right there. It's right there. Pretty sure it's over there.